In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Photoshop when it won't open or keeps crashing. We'll move through a simple sequence that tackles the most common causes. First, make sure there aren't any stuck Photoshop processes running in the background. On Windows, open Task Manager by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC. Then go to the Processes tab, find anything labeled Photoshop and click End Task. On a Mac, open Activity Monitor from Applications, Utilities, search for Photoshop, select it and click the Stop button to force quit. This clears out hung sessions that can block a clean launch. Just be careful to close only Photoshop-related entries so you don't interrupt other apps. Next, if you're on Windows, try launching Photoshop with elevated permissions. Right-click the Photoshop icon and choose Run as Administrator. This step helps if Photoshop is failing because it can't access folders, scratch disks, or protected locations. If it opens successfully this way, you've confirmed a permissions issue and can adjust your usual launch settings later. If it still won't start, test for plugin conflicts. Hold the Shift key while opening Photoshop. Keep holding until you're prompted to skip loading third-party plugins, then confirm. If Photoshop launches after skipping plugins, that strongly suggests an add-on is the culprit. Make a note of any plugins you installed or updated recently so you can check for updates or contact the developer once you're back up and running. If the issue persists, reset Photoshop preferences, which can become corrupted over time. Close Photoshop, then launch it while holding Ctrl plus Alt plus Shift on Windows or CMD plus Option plus Shift on Mac. Continue holding until you see the prompt to delete the current settings, then confirm. This restores default preferences, workspaces, and custom settings, which often resolves stubborn launch problems. Keep in mind you'll lose custom layouts and certain preferences, so only do this when needed. Finally, make sure your Photoshop installation is current. Open the Creative Cloud desktop app, go to the All Apps section and check if an update button appears next to Photoshop. Apply the update and then try launching again. If updating doesn't help, use the same app to uninstall Photoshop, then reinstall it fresh. Reinstalling replaces damaged files and resets core components without you having to hunt for the specific issue. Work through these steps in order, and in most cases, Photoshop will open normally again. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get back to creating without interruptions.